Start making money from today, no skills or investment required. Hello everybody, how are you? Hope everything is going well. I'm MD Faisal Ahmed from Lookingx channel. At first I'm extremely sorry to say that my speech in English is not good enough. For this reason I've taken help from text-to-speech application. This video for unemployed people who are seeking a job or want to earn money from online. Today I'm sharing a trusted way from where you can make smart income daily, even monthly. Just you should have some criteria. You do not need any skills or no need to spend money. Just be cooperative. Conditions to join here. If you really want to earn money online, then you can join here. You should show respect to others. Do not put any negative comments or dislike to any shared video. If any problem, you can let him or her know by this site, post comments or private message. If problem not solved yet, then you can report us by contact form or you can email us by the provided email address. No political post is allowed. No uncensored or adult post is allowed. If you have any dating affiliate link, then do not post adult photos, just describe it into your description box so that everybody can understand that what type of post it is. No fake people is allowed. You must be positive mentality person to help others. You don't have to spend any money for them. Just help them to grow up. You should have a mentality to work as a team. Remember, nobody is competitor here. Everybody will be your team member and cooperator. You must be above 18 years old to join here. Nobody is allowed to post any harassment link. No violation post or photo is allowed. If you do not respond to others' posts, then after certain period of time your account will be suspended. Excluding adult post, harassment link. Harassment link, broken links, or any link which takes more than 30 seconds and redirects more than 2 to 3 pages. As a member you should. Positive mentality person. You should have helping mentality. If anyone post any links or post, you should visit there so that he can earn money from it. For videos, you should visit the video, put a like and make subscriber and push the bell button beside subscription button and put a positive comment there so that there creates a possibility to earn money of him. For website, just visit the link and put a positive comment on the post of that website. Nobody is competitor here. Everybody should use this website as a strong team and grow each other with mutual cooperation. Now how it works. In phone you will show a bar left hand side at the top where menu are listed. Click on register button and register with your valid information. Then you are redirected to your profile page. Here you can change your profile photo and cover photo. You can also change your information settings in settings placed in your profile menu bar. You can send friend requests to other members. You can also see other members' post. In your profile page you can post your daily updates. You can message to other members. That is, you can use this site as a perfect social media. Now click on main menu bar, left corner, and press create new post button. Click create new post. Add your post title. Describe about your post shortly or briefly. Minded, try to make your post with proper SEO. Then select category from the list. Put your tags in tag box. Insert your featured image here and click on publish to post. Now how can you earn? 1. Share your downloadable files here. Before share it, upload it to any file sharing website who pays money. 2. Insert your links, CPA, affiliate, referral, URL shorteners, etc. here. 3. Share your YouTube, Vimeo, Daily Motion video links here. 4. Share your stock photos, designs and others here. Earning process. This is a community website. It will work as a media. Not only media but also best media than other social networks. Because only this site can fulfill your purpose of earn money. Members of this sites will become traffic for you. You also should do the same for others. Thus you will start a huge money from here. You can also share your post from this site to Facebook, Twitter and other social media. So, join here and start earning money from today by mutual cooperation. Thanks for watching.